Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Carl's Garage, brought to you by Straight Outta Content. And today I just want to make a quick video on how to change your cabin air filter in a 2015 Kia Optima. This should work for the other Kia Optima models that look like mine, but it definitely works for the 2015. I picked this up from Amazon for about 10 bucks. I will leave the link in the description below. It might be a little bit more now, but I got a deal. And today we're going to be changing the cabin air filter. This is an extremely easy thing to do. One thing that you want to make sure when doing this is that you have nothing in your glove box. So I went ahead and just removed everything. But a quick tip, something that I faced when doing this, and the reason why I am doing this is because I started to smell what smelled like coolant. I would drive my car and I would smell coolant, and I thought that I needed a heater core because right behind this is the blower motor and the heater core, and you have to remove the entire dash. So I was thinking that I had to get a new heater core, but my heat was actually working, and just the windows would really fog up. So I was like scared. I was like, damn, I need a new heater core. So I contacted my really close friend Peter. He's an accomplished mechanic, and he said, Carl, check your air filter, check your cabin air filter. I said, really? He said, yeah, check your cabin air filter. I'm telling you, man, if that thing is clogged, it will not allow fumes or whatever to circulate, and you will smell like engine smell and stuff like that. I was like, there's no way. So I went ahead and actually removed it, and it was completely dirty. I think it's in my trash can over there, but it was so dirty. It was so clogged. So I actually left it out. Of the car. Drove around with no cabin air filter, and I never smelt it again. So if you guys are out there and you're having like a smell of coolant, try that. I'm not telling you that it's gonna work. I'm just saying to try that. Try removing and replacing the cabin air filter. So what we're gonna go ahead and do, sorry about that, is first thing we're gonna do, we have to take off this little twist clip. So we're just gonna turn it to the left or to the right. Turn it to the left. Yeah, turn it to the left. Boom, it's gonna pop out. Then that's gonna drop it a little bit, and then we're gonna pull this thing right here. We're gonna pinch this, and we're gonna pull it, and then the whole thing's gonna drop. And then the only thing we have to do, see this clip right here? You need to squeeze that and pull it. So we need to squeeze this and pull it. Now mine is out, like I said, because it's extremely dirty, and it's over there in the trash can. And we're gonna open this up, and it's gonna have directions on how to put this, okay? So don't worry, it's already has the correct directions. I'm gonna open this up. It's gonna come in this nice little plastic. And again, I'm just filming this really quick, guys. You know how I do. Carl's Garage is showing you real quick. I'm not going to edit this or anything. It is what it is. But I think that you guys would really enjoy it, especially if you're just trying to do this real quick. Okay, as I said, see, it says airflow up. So you just want to slide this in there. Airflow up. Push it back because it needs to kind of, even though you see I still kind of have some lips, so you just want to push it back. Sideways. Duh. Put this in there. Might be a little hard to push in, but you'll eventually get it. A little tight. Try my right hand because I'm right-handed. Slide that buddy in there like a Pop-Tart. Slide it in there. Yes. It's in there nice and tight. I'm going to put the cap back on. Yeah, there's a little hole right there. The little hole that you need to get the thing into. Might need to angle it a little bit. Yep, a little bit. Push it over here, push it. Boom. And that's how you install your cabin air filter in your Kia Optima. Again, this should work for most Kia Optimas. I want to go ahead and put this thing back. This should work for most Kia Optimas that look like the 2015 one. Let's see if I can put this back. Turn it. Boom, caught it there. Might have to pull this down. Boom, there you go. It's all set. I like to keep this closed. Some people like to keep that open. I like to keep it closed. I don't want any of that air out of there coming through here. Start the car. Turn on the AC. Tap that. And you should smell, it should smell a lot cleaner. So again, guys, that's how you install a cabin air filter in your Kia Optima. Hopefully this video was really quick. You guys know to follow, subscribe, and like this video for more future videos with Carl's Garage. Again, guys, this is just a quick video. It's not fancy, but hopefully if you need this done for your car, you watch this video and it was super easy. Make sure to watch all my other videos of how to do your spark plugs and stuff like that, guys. All right, guys, stay safe, stay basic. Peace.